I've just finished unboxing a tracksuit, hoodie and a bottom. I got this from Mr. Porter. I just wanted to say I'm really impressed. So this actually is not, they have two options when it comes to how things are delivered to you, so I just wanted to let you know. This is the gift packaging, and you have the option of not picking the gift packaging because it uses less material. This is actually a gift, so I wanted the gift packaging. The cool thing is that you don't pay extra, it seems, for the gift packaging. Some shops, I know they charge you like £5, £6 extra for the gift packaging, so it's really cool that they didn't charge extra and it's still this good. Also, I'm really impressed with the I wrote a birthday message on the envelope, on the card. Normally it's just written on a little piece of paper, but look at this. This is a legit note. Like, it is so cute. Its own envelope and all. You would then remove this to stick in there. I guess maybe if you want to put something else. This is why I love doing unboxings, because just to appreciate the thought that goes into the packaging and everything, especially when it's good. When it's not good, it's a shame, but when it's good, it's like, oh wow, this is so nice. And for something you're gifting, I think for me, yeah, I will be considering Net-a-Porter a lot more, because the packaging makes it a lot easier to just present the gift to someone. Pretty much the work is done for me here, and that's really good. As for the tracksuit, it's good quality. What can I say? It is made in China, and I know a lot of people always ask, where is it made? Where is it made? A lot of us care about that now, and that's good. This is a men's tracksuit, but I know Essentials is pretty much unisex, so I don't think that matters much. This is if you wanted to see how it looks, how it feels, like just how it looks actually, and the inside, how the inside looks. The box, the Mr. Porter box gives me Balenciaga vibe. It's the same texture as the Balenciaga box. The tracksuit itself is good, honestly, it's good. How it will hold up, we shall see. I might get one for myself. There's a lot of them on sale right now as I'm filming this video, so yeah, check it out, because then you're getting them at a bargain price, but still the quality is there. This is the kind of tracksuit that should last you for quite some time, and it's a classic. They do very nice colors. Comment below, let me know what's been your experience and anything else you've bought from Mr. Porter, and how do they compare to Selfridges and Harrods. Don't want to make this video too long. I hope you enjoyed this, and comment below anything else you would like to see unboxed, or if you have any questions about this particular online shopping experience. Until next time, stay safe.